with the Opportunity channel, sponsored by ShopABizOp. This is lucky week 13. My guest this week is Alan Holmes, known Alan for a long time. Alan is with the Master Connectors. Alan, I've never connected on video before, so this is fun for us. And we've always done business vis-a-vis email and all of your ordering and all of your lead generation. So it's fun getting everybody together. This YouTube channel that we're going to have in a little community is going to be pretty cool going into 2020, 2019. Saw quite a bit of hours watch. And the idea here is to focus on folks that are at the top 3%.